So first we're gonna take our scissors. I might do a voiceover. I'm gonna just cut across this. And then we're gonna cut these little tabs off. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna cut at an angle. I don't know if I want to be at an angle like that. I'm just kind of trying to find the middle of where I want her fringes to go. And then I'm just gonna start there. Now I'm just gonna take my scissors from the parts that's kind of bigger than the other ones. I don't know if y'all can, but some of the little, it's cute. This is cute. This is real cute. But let me see, right there. Some of the little pieces are bigger than the other, so I might just go back and cut some more. But right now, this is really cute. So let me see. You're gonna take your scissors. If you want the pieces a little bit smaller, you're just gonna cut it in half. I don't know if I should cut it in half. I don't know. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the scissors and I'm just gonna cut straight pieces now. I might make these pieces longer. I might go into the shirt. But I guess I'll see how it looks when I put it on my daughter because I don't want it doing too much now. But typically you just cut straight to the what is this, like the shoulder line, whatever. I'm just cutting straight, kind of, sort of. And you're gonna do this to both sides. I'm gonna show y'all how this side look like, and then I'm gonna go to the other side, finish it, and then I'm gonna show y'all what the shirt look like. And then I might show y'all what the shirt look like on her tomorrow. Hopefully this. I think I started cutting at an angle, but let me see. Hold on, let me cut this little end piece. Okay, that's what that side looked like. And now I'm just about to, I'm gonna do it to the side too. And I'll be right back. Okay, now we just gonna cut up the side of the shirt. Like straight, I don't know if y'all can see. We're gonna cut straight up the side. God dang it. Gosh darn it. If y'all take your time doing this, take your time. It's easy to make a mistake, but this shirt, it don't really matter because it's kind of like Okay. Now I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna cut all the way to the end. Actually, I'm gonna cut a little bit farther. But I'm not gonna cut all the way to the end because I still want to give this part its own little thing. Now I'm just gonna take it to the side, and I'm just going to cut straight. I'm gonna cut straight to this little line right across. So I'm gonna go straight. Some more. And each of these you're gonna tie together. So dang, I should have made that one bigger. Probably. You can do bigger sections if you don't feel like tying all day long. Okay, now that you got your sections, which are bigger than these ones, you just take them and you just tie it like this. Like you make a, like you tie your shoelace. So over, under, you don't gotta tie it all the way. You don't leave it like that. And you can make another knot at the end. Or, I ain't gonna tie it all the way. You can do it like that. Or you can just go ahead and tie it like close to the bottom. This depends on how much space you want in between your shirts. Or in between like the little things. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep hers. Actually, I think I'm gonna tie it all the way to the bottom. Take it, wrap it around. Make sure you got the same ones, and then make another knot like this. I just double knot mine so there's less chance of it coming loose. Take it, make a little tie. I need my nails done, so not too much, okay? Break a knot. And you're gonna keep going all the way down. And you're gonna do this to both sides. Okay. Got it. I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna take the pieces that I don't know if I can see. I don't know if hopefully I'm showing the right thing. The pieces that are kind of messed up. And I'm gonna cut all the way down to the so I'm gonna take it and cut all the way straight. I might cut this part too and tie it. This part you don't want too tight because their arms still gotta go through. But this is a bigger shirt, so it gives me room to play with. So if you plan on doing this, I recommend sizing up So when you tie the knots and stuff, it's not tight to the under the child or whoever on yourself. Now you got the cute little top to keep the shirt intact. Okay. So this is what the finished t-shirt looks like. Let me see it. This is what it looks like. Shoulders. And hopefully, I try to do it like the angled look, but the way I cut into the sides, it might not give what I wanted it to give. And hopefully, it's not too tight because of the way that I tied the sides. So I say you can tie them towards the ends instead of tying them close, and that gives you more room to play with. But since this is a bigger shirt, it should still fit my daughter. So if you got a shirt that's like right at the sides, then you might want to tie these farther away so the shirt still fits them. And yeah, that's all. I will come back tomorrow and show y'all what it looks like.